Hi, I'm Steve Parkinson, Education Manager at Autodesk. This year we're delighted to be supporting the IMechE Design Challenge, which brings together thousands of engineering students from across the country. The most important attributes of a modern engineer are how they apply their mindset, which is bringing together the skills and the tools that they have learnt. For example, in the Design Challenge, they're bringing together a range of different skills and tools from a range of engineering disciplines to solve a problem. Autodesk is supporting the Design Challenge because it replicates a real design and make challenge similar to that in industry and allows students to use new technology to innovate and provide new solutions. This year, students can use Autodesk Fusion 360, which is a platform that connects lots of engineering disciplines, for example mechanical, electrical and simulation, in a cloud-based environment allowing students to collaborate from different parts of the UK.